Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to solve could not open connection to the host on port 23, connect failed, problem. First we need to open Windows control panel. Then we need to open programs and features. Then we need to turn Windows features on or off. Then we need to find Telnet. Then we need to enable Telnet. It might be taken some minute. When done, please restart your PC. Now Telnet is server, it's work.